Does Rocky like peanut butter? Oh!
Can you hear the noises?
Yeah.
Turn it around. But isn't peanut butter supposed to, like, be bad for dogs because they can't chew after? But not Rocky. He's one of a kind. Look at the drool in your bed. Can't you do it yourself? Yeah.
Can you get him off my bag? Where's the yogurt? Where's the yogurt?
Cookie. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, this will be fun. It's so hard.
What I'm doing.
To hold it with his hands.
Oh, peanut butter.
Where is he going?
All done. All done.
Go get the peanut butter. Get this an image of him like, go back, Alice. Trying to get the peanut butter under the bed.
Where are you going, Rock?
Has he got it?
Yes, he's got it. It's hitting against the wall. Oh, you can't see it. Finish the peanut butter.
Get it for me, please. This is like a drug now. Rocky has to go to peanut butter on this. Alex.